Okay, I will show you something that you can drink as a tea. Okay, if you have a big belly, okay, and a lot of fats in your belly, you can drink this. This serves as a tea because it melts the fat, especially in your belly area, and this is called mint. Okay, I boiled some water while I'm cutting some stems. Okay, and I will show you how to serve this. You can add this to your salad. Every day I eat this, only it has a very sharp, it's like a hairy. Every day I eat this, and this is a coriander. You eat this raw. This is very good also for your metabolism. It helps burns the food in your your digestive system will work faster. And also this mint. Okay, I will show you how I prepare this as tea. Okay, you must have this in your garden. Okay, I will pluck all the leaves from the stem and I will come back. Okay, I've already washed it. Okay, now I'm gonna transfer it here where we make tea. Okay, and I have here boiled water. Yeah, you only have to leave it for a few minutes. Okay, and you can serve this with how you say that, honey and citron, but I drink it no honey and citron. My husband, he drinks it with honey and citron. Citron helps melts your fats too. Okay, I will just cover it. Okay, now you see, that's a very nice color. It's like mint green. Okay, you taste it. I will make one for my husband with lemon and honey. And this also helps you remove bad breath. If you have bad breath and you drink this mint tea, it will remove your bad breath and helps melt the fats in your belly, and it boosts your digestive system. It helps your digestive systems to work, to function, so it will digest all the food and melts the fat. So, I hope you like my video. You can try this, okay? You can, if you have no plant, a mint plant in your garden, you can buy in the market fresh mint leaves. Ooh la la! Thanks for watching.